worry. Sakto guys, so for this video, we are going to unbox Hellsite. So di ko na video yung pag-unbox ko nito, grabe. So let's go. 480 tapered and Hellsite. So panibagong name, panibagong buhay. Yes. And let's go, parts by parts. Where is tapered? Yes sir. Medyo faded yung kulay niya. Next is 480. Yes sir. Gumagalaw ba raw? Gumagalaw. Hindi ko alam. And then Hellsite. So let's go, assemble. Uy. Uy! Uy, grabing loose ah. Loose. Sheesh. So let's go, test spin. Bago ang test spin, let's compare Dransword to the Hellsite. This is 460. Yeah, 460. And this is 480. Yes. And let's see which is more taller. Oh, more taller is Hellsite, yeah. And she, loose yung crispin niya compare kay Dransword. Diba? And di siya masyadong tight. So let's go to battle. Ay, test spin muna. Uy. So yun, di siya masyadong tight. Siguro mababurst to kagad. Let's go, test spin. Test spin. Uy, nice. Super nice. Oh, Minecraft solid. And BX0 to yung nakalagay. Walang Beyblade X. Walang ganyan, no. Beyblade X. Oh, man. Oh, called Dransword. Grabe. Guys, I'm just realized na mas mabigat si Dransword, yeah. Ito ay medyo hollow. Yeah, hollow. And ano ko guys, mas apat yung ganito niya. And kay Dransword is 3 lang. And yun lang. And then yun lang, so test spin. Ayo, grabing balance yan, oh. Tingnan niya, hanggang mamaya pa yan. So yun, so maganda yung life after death niya. Tingnan niyo. And so compare natin kay Dransword. Diba? Sheesh. So yun guys, tuloy ang test battle. Grabing hit yun ah. Uy, panalo ka. For the first time. Siguro next month I will buy Exysteum, yeah. Siguro next month I will buy Exysteum, but I'm not sure to I will buy. Sheesh. Yo, bro. This guys is different, man. Pangalan nito ay Hellsight, di ba? Hellsight. Yeah. And this is Killer Decider. Yeah. May sight din siya. And grabe, man, mag-ano sila, sight. And try natin to battles. Grabe, man, ang ganda siguro ng laban nito, no? Grabe. Andito yung parts nila. Yeah, mali yung parts ni Hellsight. Ay, Hellsight, sorry, si Deathsider. Grabe naman to. So, yes sir.
Muna na kita.
So excited. So, let's go ang natin. Battle natin. Mag-battle naman tayo ng burst. Puro Beyblade X eh. Kaya ang cold Longinus. Suicide, man. Yes, sir. Uy, grabe yun ah. Grabe, di mo binigo Hellsight. Sobrang ganda ng battles. Mas maganda talaga battle ni Hellsight sa Dragon Sword. Yo! Burst finish! Burst finish! For the first time. For the first time, man. Burst finish. Burst finish. For the first time, burst finish. Sausage! Ang gaganda ng battles nila, boy. Bumalik din sa ring of finish. Sheesh. Hot diggity dog. Yeah, man, sobrang solid ang battles nito. And ito nga pala ay celebration natin ng 40 hindi ito yung celebration natin ng 40 subscribers celebration natin. Yung Longinus natin. Yeah. Yes, ito yung 37 subscribers natin na late lang, guys. Sorry. And napakaangas, man. And napaka solid din ng battles. Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.